Welcome back to Chinese with Yanzi. This is Chinese with Yanzi, lesson 5. Okay, we have practiced some words, right? Some words in lesson 4, the syllable of the word. Okay, and today let's continue to practice. Okay, now let's practice. Okay, are you ready? Go. Okay, the first one. Ban, ban, ben, ben, bo, en, ben. Good. Okay. Bang, bang. Okay. What does bang mean? Bang means help, help. Bang. Okay. This one. Bong, bong. Okay. Bang, 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 bong. Bang, 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 bong. Okay, next. Po, 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 o, po. Good. Pan, pan, pen, pen. Pang, pang. Okay. Pong, pong. Mo, mo. And this one. Man, man. Men, men. Mang, mang. Okay, what does mang mean? Mang, the second tone. Mang means busy. Mang, okay, and this one. Mong, mong. Good. This one. Fo, fo. Fan, fan. Fen, fen. Fang, fang. Feng, feng. What does feng mean? Blow? No. The wind. Feng, feng shui. Feng, wind. Feng. Okay, good. Okay, this one. Dou, dou. Dan, dan. Den, den. Dang, dang. Deng, deng. Toe, toe. Okay, what does toe mean? Toe means stone, stone. Toe, okay. Tan, tan. Tang, tang. What does tang mean? Tang means soup, soup. Tang, okay. Teng, teng. Okay, good. No, no. Nan, nan. Okay, what does nan mean? Nan, the second tone. Nan, male, male. Okay, nan. Nen, nen. Nang, nang. Neng, neng. Okay, good. And this one. Low, low. Lan, lan. Okay, with second tone. Lan, lan. What color is it? Lan. Yes, good. Blue, blue. Lan. Okay. Lang, lang. Leng, leng. Okay, now let's try to read. Dou, dan, den, dang, deng. Dang, tang, nang, lang. Deng, teng, neng, leng. Okay. No, nan, nen, nang, neng. Lo, lan, lang, leng. Wow, good. Okay, this one. Go, go. Okay, with the third tone. Go. What does go mean? Go, dog. Go. Okay, this one. Gan, gan. Gen, gen. Gang, gang. Geng, geng. Okay, and this one. Ko, ko. and this one. Ho, ho. Okay, with the second tone. Ho, ho. What does ho mean? Ho, ho means monkey, monkey. Ho. Okay, and this one. Han, han. Hun, hun. Hung, hung. Hung, hung. Okay, very good. Okay, now one more time. Câu, can, cân, căng, công. Câu, can, cân, căng, công. Hô, han, hân, hăng, hân. Well done. Okay, this one. Zhou, zhou. Zhan, zhan. Zhen, zhen. Okay, here. What's this? What's this? Needle, right? Okay, in Chinese we say 针, 针. Okay, this one. 张, 张. 争, 争. Okay, in Chinese, Zhang is a surname. Mr. Zhang, Zhang. Okay, and this one. 抽, 抽. 掺, 掺. 称, 称. 昌, 昌. 称, 称. Okay, and this one. 收, 收. Okay, with the third tone. What does 手 mean? 手. Yes, good. 手, 手. Hand, right? Okay, and this one. 山, 山. Okay, do you remember the pictogram? Okay, please look here. What does it look like? It looks like a mountain, right? Yes, in Chinese is 山, 山. And the character is 山. Okay, and this one. 身, 身. 伤, 伤. 生, 生. Okay, in Chinese, we have 4 tones and 1 neutral tone, right? We say the tone is 生, 生. Okay, good. And this one, 肉, 肉. Okay, with 4th tone. 肉, 肉. What does 肉 mean? 肉, meat. 肉. Okay, good. 燃, 燃. Okay, and this one. 扔, 扔. Okay, remember this pictogram. What does it look like? It looks like a person. Yes, good. 人, the second tone, right? 人, 人. Okay, and this one. 让, 让. This one. 扔, 扔. Okay, what does 扔 mean? 扔. Okay. 扔, 扔. Throw. 扔. Okay, this one. 走, 走. Good. 沾, 沾. 增, 增. 脏, 脏. Okay, what does 脏 mean? 脏. Dirty, dirty. 脏. Okay. 增, 增. This one. 凑, 凑. 掺, 掺. 称, 称. 仓, 仓. 称, 称. Okay, this one. 搜, 搜. 三, 三. Okay, what does 三 mean? 三, 三. Yes, the number 三. Okay, good. 生, 生. 桑, 桑. 生, 生. Okay, good. Now, one more time. Okay. 周, 沾, 增, 脏, 增. 抽, 餐称仓称收山生桑生. Okay, very good. This is lesson 5, and next lesson we will learn more finals. Okay, see you.